A 10 kilogram mass hangs on a string with a tension of 126 newtons. What is its acceleration? Okay, so let's see, 10 kilograms. All right, so the force down on this thing, weight is mg, is 10 times 9.8. This is 98 newtons and it's down. And then there's a string, right? And there's 126 newtons of force up. Notice that 126 is bigger than this. This thing is definitely going to accelerate upward. Okay. By the way, tension in a string is always, well, I suppose you could pull a mass down. That'd be dodgy, right? But generally these things are, if it's hanging on a string, the string is pulling from the top, right? All right, so let's set this up. We've got 126 minus 98 equals 10a. Okay, so 126 minus 98, 28, equals 10a. A is equal to 2.8 meters per second squared. Yarbly! And it's upward. Positive, it's upward. Be sure you label the acceleration, the direction of it.